My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making the best and the easiest chocolate mousse recipe. It only takes a few ingredients, one of which is coconut cream. So all of you that are dairy-free and vegan can rejoice and know that this chocolate mousse recipe is for you. And if you have a chocolate-loving lover in your life, make sure that you stash a little bit of this on the side because, like my husband, they might just go rummaging through the refrigerator to see if there's anything left. So enough of the chit-chat, y'all. Let's get started. Our chocolate mousse is all ready to rock and roll, and I cannot wait to take a bite. Okay, here we go. The rich chocolatey goodness found in that mousse mixed with the tart raspberry. I mean, this is like what chocolate dessert dreams are made of. And it's good for you. It's dairy-free, it's vegan, and you can even make it low carb. I mean, that's like a win-win-win across the board. So if you're looking for a Valentine's Day treat or maybe just a romantic date night in, look no further than this chocolate mousse recipe. I think we have a winner, y'all. If you're not already, go ahead and follow @EvolvingTable on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Or if you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.